Let's get ready for date night in Charleston, South Carolina. I just washed my face, so I'm putting some vitamin E oil on it as like a moisturizer. I'm just gonna do my quick everyday makeup, maybe with eyeshadow to spice it up, but this only takes me about 7 minutes to be exact. Using a tinted serum, and I literally just got this one in the mail just before filming this. It's from this brand Typology. Oh shit. I hope my concealer is not going to be too dark. I got a new shade. This one's in the shade number 2. Not as tan as I usually am, but I feel like this might be a little bit too light, so I might mix 3 in with it. Let's see. I feel like this shade will be better as it gets colder and I get lighter. It matches my face pretty well, but my body is still a little bit darker, so I am going to take a little bit of my darker shade that I'm basically out of. Okay, just a touch of concealer, Tarte Shape Tape. I was thinking about trying the Typology concealer. I was actually going to order it when I ordered the new shade of the serum, but they were sold out of the shade I wanted. Cream blush. This is from Rem. I don't know if it's gonna focus. R-E-M. I got this at Ulta and it's in the shade Curtain Call. It says cheek and lipstick. Little touch on my lips. Translucent powder, which I really hate using, but it's such a good product. It's just so messy. I'm just letting this powder sit there just long enough for me to do my bronzer, and after I do this, I'll dust the powder away. This is MAC's Mineralized Skin Finish in Dark Deepest. I literally don't think I've used another bronzer or bronzer shade in the last 10 years. I wish I was lying. Now we can go in and blend that powder out. I am always going to start off with MAC's Uninterrupted eyeshadow. This is just the perfect caramel color that was left over on my brush. Just give it a little dust. This is the Huda Beauty Warm Up Sessions palette. These other products have been restocked over the years. This has not. This is definitely expired. I don't recommend using expired makeup. I'm taking this like warm brown shade and I'm just gonna... Should we make it a little smokier and sexier? Part of me says yes. So I'm gonna take this dark brown purple and just work on like a little... Oh god, look at that. Look at all that fallout. Just work on like a cute little wing. Something soft. We'll blend it out later. Look how pretty that is. I just flicked the fallout away. See? Come on. Brush out these lashes. This is a really fun spot to get ready for because there's lots of good restaurants and just a cute little area. Bottom mascara is a literal game changer. I haven't worn it in forever. Let's do something with my hair, although I think it looks really good right now. I'm so excited, you guys. I never do anything to my hair. I actually prefer like my natural messy hair, but lately I've been thinking it would be nice to have the option to make my hair nice and presentable and pretty for date nights if I want that option. Literally within days of having this thought, this company called Tymo reached out to me to send me this amazing curling iron that I'm going to show you today, and also a hair straightener that I'm going to show you in the next couple of weeks. Oh my gosh, I'm dropping everything. As you saw, it comes in this really nice travel sleeve, and it comes with 2 clips so you can easily section and divide your hair, and then a glove to protect yourself so you don't get burnt. Let's get this baby warmed up. This also heats up extremely fast. I have this... After you plug it in and turn it on, if you continue clicking the power button, that's how you adjust the temperature. I'm gonna just keep it on this second dot. And something I really like, just a little detail, it has this like, see that little knobs thing right there and up at the top? So when you set this on your counter, it's not gonna burn the surface.
Warning.
Ooh.
Power outage. Base station on backup battery.
I unplugged this thing. I don't even know what it is. That kind of scared me. I don't own a heat protectant, but the company that sent me this, they recommend using a heat protectant. They sell one on their website. Personally, I just use a hair oil because it, one, moisturizes my hair, and two, I feel like it kind of acts as like a little heat protectant. I'm using the vitamin E that I used on my face earlier, and I'm just using a very tiny amount. Whatever's left over in my hands, I'm just gonna rub on my body. Normally I would use argan oil, but I left it at home in North Carolina, and this is all I have with me. So I roughly did a middle part and sectioned it in the back. I'm gonna just do one side at a time. Let's start over here. I'm taking sections about this big, and the rest I'm just gonna clip up. I am not a hair professional, but this is so easy to use that I actually enjoy doing my hair because this is really fun and, like I said, easy. You see this little baby clamp right there? Clamp your hairs. I start from the bottom. And then there's two arrows right here, so you can either curl away from your face, which is what I'm gonna do, like that. Hold it for a couple seconds. Or if you push the opposite arrow, it'll curl it towards your face. And then once you hear that beep, that means it's ready. I don't know why I started back there because that one was kind of in the back of my head. I'm also kind of switching up the sizing of my pieces. I'm not doing the same size strands all the way around. This makes it so quick. I forgot to put the glove on, which I know I should do because... Another thing, after every curl, there's another button. Next to the light are the two arrows that rotate the curling wand, and up here is the reset button. So before every curl, if you push that button, it brings this back around to the front, so you're nice and organized and ready to go. I want to show you like a close-up of this thing rotating. See, that's one way, and then the opposite way. So while we're here, I'll share some fun facts with you guys about the product and the brand. This is a really large titanium barrel, which helps to ensure a smoother glide, which reduces I'm reading this from their site, which reduces 50% of breakage. Something that really stands out to me also is that my hair is always so smooth after using this. I think that this smooths my hair very, very nicely. So the curls are really, really tight right now. And super bouncy, like you can see, but at the end, once I get all the curls done, I'm gonna brush them out lightly so that way they are a bit looser and more of like a beachy wave. I still forgot to put the glove on. It takes me about 3 sections each side. Nothing sucks more than investing time and effort into curling your hair and then the curls are already dropped by the time you're not even on the other side, you know what I mean? So I love that these stay tight. I'm gonna go ahead and finish up this side and then I will show you the difference, like half and half. Before and after, well, of just the curling process. I'll also show you the before and after of like brushing out. Honestly, I've only been going at this for about 5 minutes now. It's so quick. Okay, this is the side I need the glove for. Wait, is this the right hand that I need it for? I get confused. If I'm curling this side, which hand needs the glove? I'm so excited for tonight's outfit, you guys. I actually have like 3 outfit ideas in mind, but all 3 of which are extremely fucking cute. Their products are safe for different hair textures, colors, chemical treatments. If your hair's been dyed and whatnot, you can safely use their heating products. This part right here in the front, this is like the last big section, and then I keep this really teeny tiny wispy part. This is the only part of my hair that instead of using the little clamp, I feel like because it's just such a small section, I just do like that, literally for like 3 seconds, just to get like a little. I'm gonna go ahead and put on my really cute outfit, figure out which of the 3 I'm gonna wear, and then come back and finish up my hair. I'm gonna let the curls cool and then play with them a little bit. Okay, I'm about 5 inches taller. I forgot to turn off the curling iron. I'll show you the outfit in a second. I'm just gonna take my brush and very gently just kind of comb out the ends of the curls. I personally don't need hairspray. My hair texture and whatever holds the curls very nicely throughout the evening, but now would be a good time to probably use hairspray if you feel like you need it or want it. God, I am so grateful that this company reached out to me because this just elevated my look for going out. Okay, final touches for the outfit, just some jewelry. Super fun, chunky leather cuff. This was made by some artist here in Charleston, but I got this like, I don't know, a year ago, probably longer. And then another super unique piece from an artist in Florida. Shit, the Uber's here. I might have to have Jared get a full body video for me so you can see the outfit. Rings, more rings. Okay. My first oyster. It's the next day and I'm here for 2 reasons. 1, to end the video, and 2, to show you how my hair held up. Well, it's not really looking the best right now. It's also close to 4 p.m. the next day. It's not like fresh in the morning, but there's still some wave and texture in there. And it was super windy last night, and I went to the beach and brunch this morning. So I feel like it's held up the wave pretty fairly. The curling iron that I was using yesterday was the Rota style, R-O-T-A by Tymo. They have a couple different size barrels and options, so in case you want to find the one that I used, it's the Rota. I'm gonna leave a link to their website if you guys want to check them out. And yeah, that's it for this video. I hope you guys liked it. I hope my OG followers enjoyed this little makeup get ready video with me. Have a good day and put on something that makes you feel fucking sexy.